Is he gonna? Is he gonna? Is he gonna? Yeah! Oh yeah, it's party. Party. You know, I thought I was going to be gassing up on my ride home yesterday. Me and my buddy Roger took the long way home down 66, and my gas light came on early the day before. You know, and on an iron 883, when you have a 3.3 gallon tank, that means you have roughly about a gallon left. So maybe about 40 miles, depending on what type of driving you're doing. So my commute to work's about 8-9 miles. And then of course you got the 9 miles back, or if I take the longer way home like I have the last couple of days, that's probably what? We'll say 20. Oh yeah, I really pushed it when I'm doing the math in my head. So when we got off 66 and hit the highway to go back northeast, or actually northwest, I noticed my bike wasn't accelerating right away when I rolled on the throttle from a complete stop, and I'm like, oh crap, man, like what's going on? And then I was like, oh, it's probably low on gas, because you know when you lead, when you lean over on your bike, you know, the pump to get all the gas out of your tank, it's not getting gas because your bike's leaned over, and oh, there's a deer. That's my point from one of the last videos, man. I know the animals are a little more active at night, but goddamn, that deer was big. But anyway, when you're leaned over in your tank, of course, you're kind of doing one of these, and the pump is, you know, doesn't have enough gas to feed it through the motor, and you know, your bike's not going to go anywhere. Well, that's what was happening. And then we got to Benel, which is a town about a couple miles from where I live, and we hit another stop sign there, and then all of a sudden, you know, my bike was starting to peter out in every gear. I'm like, okay, need to pull over here and get gas, and I filled up, and all is well. But yeah, don't push it to the limit too many times when it comes to your gas, guys. Usually when the gas light comes on this bike, I'm usually filling it up, or soon after. That's the thing about, that's one of the reasons why I want to upgrade this bike next year, is because I'd like to have a bigger fuel tank, so I'm not fueling up as much. And speaking of newer bike, on Saturday I'm going to be test riding the 2018 Sport Glide. This is a bike I had my eye on for a while. I really love the looks of it, especially the new Manus wheels. It's got the new Milwaukee 8 engine in it. It's supposed to be a real smooth ride. So that'll be coming up in an upcoming video. And then, of course, again, I want to go ahead and plug the food truck event down at Ted's Harley-Davidson. That is this Saturday, the 21st. It's going to be about 4 St. Louis restaurant/food truck companies coming, and I don't really know what like the prices are to eat and everything, but we'll just figure it out when we go down there. I'm excited to ride with my wife, and I think we're going to go down the Grafton River Road afterwards, so I may be able to get out 3 videos in one day. So we got the food truck event, we got the test ride, and then we got the ride down Grafton. Now, the weather on Saturday is supposed to be exactly like this, so I'm really looking forward to that. 83 degrees. I mean, right now it's probably in the low 70s. Low 70s, if you wear gear, is perfect for riding. And usually it won't hit the high for the day till probably around 2 or 3 o'clock. And the food truck event starts at noon and it goes to 3. We'll probably go for a couple hours, eat, test ride, maybe say hi to a few people at the dealership, and then we'll head out. So if you guys watched the channel previously, you know I ride with my buddy Roger. Sometimes we commute together on the way home, and he was on the Unhinged MC ride with me too. him and his wife are having their first baby. He should arrive today. So Roger, Bethany, if you ever watch this video, congratulations, guys. I can't wait to meet the little guy. It's funny because his last name is Price, and I guess right now they still don't have a name for him, but they've got a bunch of names in mind. And without thinking, I think Roger's wife Bethany thought of the name Fisher. So, so Fisher Price would be such a funny name for a baby. But I mean, I like the name Fisher too. It's a really good name. But when Bethany chose this name, I don't think she put two and two together. So can you imagine a little boy named Fisher Price running around? And you know, it like matches his personality spot on. Roger's like a funny guy. He's like the funniest guy I ever met. So David, your kid, Fisher Price, is just gonna put the icing on the cake for that family. So I know in other moto vlogs I was talking about us actually moving. We actually put those plans on hold right now, and we're actually thinking about just adding on some additions to our current home. We really like our home, we just need more room. Like right now, the boys are sharing a bedroom, we need some more space, we're just accumulating too much stuff and we don't have enough room for it. So we're wanting to add on an additional master bedroom for me and Jackie, and another bathroom off of it, and a mud room. And, you know, we're wanting to do a few things here and there to update the house, some new flooring throughout the house. We had a contractor come to the house yesterday, and we're looking to see what all that's going to run us. Heck, it might be more economical to go that way than to buy a brand new house, because right now the market isn't that great. We can't really find what we want, so why not just stay where we are and, you know, just update the house we have. Well, that's all I got for today's video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Hit that bell icon when you do to make sure you're notified when a video like this will be out next. I got t-shirts for sale for $15. All proceeds benefit the H.E.I.D.I Foundation that help people with special needs. If you guys want to hit up Ted's Harley-Davidson's food truck event this weekend, make sure you hit me up in the comments below, send me a message, yada yada yada. Enjoy a little music here on the rest of my commute. This is K to the J with another jam. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you on the next video.
Ran in my pocket, $1 million on deck. Riding off in the sunset, you bet I'm just a rider. I got it all locked to keep the hood on smash. When you see me coming, don't ask who am I, just a rider. Top down, bass cranking on some other tip. Chicks following behind and I'm loving it. Grinding 365 cause I love to flip. Rhymes designed to rewind the manuscript. They be like, dang, he ripped. I didn't see it coming. I didn't know you had the flow like a river rushing. That's when she started blushing, telling me she need a husband. I ain't got no time for all that, I gotta keep hustling. 50 on the dash, lemon in the glass. Riding all night, no mask for the task. Just a rider, yeah, I'm just a rider. Hit me on deck, Chevy with the kid. See me riding past, they looking at the kid. Just a rider, yeah, I'm just a rider. East Coast, West Coast to the Midwest. Down south, where most my riders live best. Tattoos on your chest, arm, neck, and face. Bandana, that is my last saving grace. You know the family, we gotta stay united. So don't come to the party if you ain't invited. And never by yourself, gotta bring at least two. Mama Cedars to mingle with, so bring them through. And they can meet my crew, you know, get the vibe flowing. I got the system out front with the knock and low end. And them horns blowing tones like the Pied Piper. This is for the nomadic ones with low riders. Newcomers are in your prime and old timers. Probably locked somewhere inside a Dodge Viper. Ray-Bans cover up the eye of the tiger. For my who, this is for my what, this is for my riders. 50 on the dash, lemon in the glass. Riding all night, no mask for the task, just a rider.